welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is an instant fried rice recipe in microwave. It gets ready in just 12 minutes. It is a perfect party recipe, less cooking and more chilling. So let's get started with the preparation.
It is very important to soak the rice for half an hour for this recipe. I have taken basmati rice. Let's check the ingredients to make vegetable fried rice in microwave. Basmati rice 1 cup, water 2 cups, cinnamon 1-inch stick, cardamom 2 pieces, cloves 2 pieces, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar half teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, cumin seed half teaspoon, slitted green chili 2 pieces, ghee 1½ tablespoon, sliced onion 1/4 cup, vegetables 1 cup. You can take any vegetable of your choice. I have taken beans, carrots, cauliflower and green peas. For this recipe, we need a microwave safe bowl. Heat 1½ tablespoon ghee in a microwave safe bowl for 1 minute in high power. The ghee is nice and hot. Now add cumin seed, cinnamon, clove and cardamom. Microwave it on high power for 30 seconds. Now add sliced onions, green chilies and stir them. Add the vegetables now and mix them well. You can take any vegetable of your choice. Now add in the soaked rice. It is very important to soak the rice for half an hour. Add garam masala powder, salt and sugar. Stir it properly. Now add 2 cups of water. Cover the bowl with cling film and make few holes to let the steam out. You can also use a lid with hole instead of cling film. Microwave for 6 minutes on high heat and then stir well and again microwave for 6 minutes more. This flavorful fried rice recipe is perfect for those days when you feel hungry and impatient. Your 12 minutes fried rice is ready. Give the recipe 5 minutes standing time and enjoy it. It is a quick and easy way to make this takeaway favorite in microwave. Do give it a try, friends, and share your feedback about this recipe with me in the comment section below. You can also follow or message me on Instagram where I share even more recipes and pretty pictures. I have shared the link in description below. Dear friends, if you enjoy the recipe, give it a like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.